Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Kawasaki Vaquero. 1700 cc's, a big bore V-twin power, fuel injected, liquid cooled, 6-speed transmission. It's got the Kawasaki traction control, ABS brakes, locking side cases. It's got a taller smoked windscreen, only 2,300 miles on this gorgeous bagger twin. AM FM stereo, electronic cruise control, heel toe shifter, shaft drive, no chain to mess with. Well, change that to belt drive. Either way, you're in great shape. Come on by and make your Vaquero dreams come true for just $14,999. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Beautiful. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.